Good morning to all students. Today class describe the Archean system in stratigraphical chapter, third semester, subject code 18 MNG 305C, subject name Applied Geology. Introduction of Archean system. The term Archeans was introduced J.D. Dana in 1872. It refers to the formation formed before the life present on the earth. The Archeans formations are distributed all over India. The rock formations are generally consist of gneiss and schist. They also contain greenstone and amphibolite. The Archean system and all Indian rock formations map. Archean system, Vinyan system, Kadapa system, Deccan Tracts, Alluvial Plain, Paleozoic rock formation, Tertiary rock formations, Gondwana rock formation, Mesozoic rock formations. It is the map of informed all Indian rock types. Discuss the Archean system. Briefly discuss the Archean system. The Archean system is the oldest rock system of India. The rocks belonging to this system were formed at the time of cooling and solidification of the upper crust of the Earth's surface in the Precambrian era, about 4,000 million years ago. The Archean system oldest rock formations in India. It is formed 4,000 million years ago. The Archean rocks in India are called Purana rocks, means the oldest rock. Archean rocks also another name Purana rocks. The Archean or Purana rocks system in India is found in Aravallis Mountains, 1/3 of the Deccan Peninsula and some part of northeast. These rocks have abundant metallic and non-metallic minerals such as iron, copper, manganese, bauxite, lead, zinc, gold, silver, tin, tungsten, mica, asbestos, graphite, etc. The Archean system also another name is Purana. It is the occupied Aravallis Mountains and 2/3% of third in Deccan Peninsula is occupation in northeast part is also Archeans. The Archean system formed in Precambrian. It is the Archaeozoic and Proterozoic. The Archaeozoic is formed in Precambrian time span. 88% of geological time scale in Precambrian era. It is 45% Archaeozoic era. These are 4,000 million years ago formed by rocks, and Proterozoic 42%. These are two mixing in Precambrian time span. 88% almost are occupation of the Precambrian. These are Archeans are oldest no life in the Archean system. The Precambrian time scale was Precambrian time scale. A occupation Archean, Precambrian, hidden Proterozoic. These are Archean's oldest greenstone belt. The oldest geological events in oldest remnant of life, and oldest different no fossil content, different variations, and oldest banded iron formations, and oldest glacial deposits formed in the Archean system. It is the abundant of old rock formations and greenstone belt. It is the very old rock formations. Archean system formed in southern peninsula region, almost peninsula region, some part Aravalli mountains. It is the Purana, nothing but it is the Purana system. Archean system. Archeans are rocks also known as Precambrian rocks, are the oldest rocks of the earth crust. Archean rock formations are oldest rock formations. These are Precambrian rocks also named. The Archean's period cover 86.7% of total geological history time of earth, and therefore is very significant. 88% almost 88% of Precambrian rocks is formed in a geological time scale. It is very significant. This period marks the development of first photosynthesis, the life support atmosphere. The period is development starting for life, different atmosphere to supporting the life atmosphere. The Archeans, the Archeans oldest rock system of India subcontinent dating back to about 4 billion years. Precambrian rocks. They serve at the basement complex or the fundamental rocks for the other rock types. They are found in Aravalli Hills, Deccan Plateau, and the northeast of India. They mostly contain gneiss, granite, gabbros, etc., and schist crystalline rocks such as mica, fluorite, talc. These are Archean system found Aravalli Mountains, Deccan Plateau, some part northern east side. These rocks are formed when magma underneath the earth's surface solidified, and hence they are devoid of any fossils. Azoic. Because of their volcanic origin, they are crystalline and consist of sheet-like layer, foliated. These rocks are abundant in metallic as well as non-metallic minerals such as iron, manganese, copper, bauxite, gold, lead, mica, graphite. Archeans are distributed all over the world. They are referred as shield. The important Archean shield are Eastern Canada, Brazil, Western Africa, the Batalic region, Western Australia, East Antarctica, and Peninsula India. These are world distribution of Archean system. Distribution in India, Peninsula region, most of Peninsula region occupation of Archeans, some northeast Aravalli Mountains. Archeans are well distributed in Peninsula India. Five provinces are identified in Peninsula India. These provinces are stabilized during different geological periods. This group comprises the oldest rock which are developed in India and are seen at Himalaya regions. All geological formations are older in age to Cambrian in stratigraphical scale are grouped under Archean, mainly igneous and sedimentary, which are mostly metamorphosed. These rocks have been termed as a result of hot molten earth becoming cold. These are the oldest and primary rocks. Their original form has been destroyed because of too much metamorphosis. There are no fossils found in this Archean system. Found in them. Gneiss is formed because of the metamorphosis of the igneous rocks. The Bundelkhand gneiss is the oldest one. The rocks of the Archean system are found mainly in Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Orissa, Chota Nagpur Plateau in Jharkhand, and the southern eastern part of Rajasthan. So, in Archean provinces are mostly Dharwar Province, Eastern Ghat Province, Central India Province, Singham Orissa Province, Aravalli Bundelkhand Province. Deccan Province, Deccan Province, Archeans in some idea are best exposed in Dharwar Province. It is located in Karnataka. It is first studied by Robert Brookfoot. Rocks of Dharwar system. The Archean forms are the oldest formations on the earth crust that are formed 4,500 million years ago. These are the oldest rocks, first formed rocks, and the first formation that has very complex structural deformation. In India, all the rock formations lying below Epo-Archean unconformity are grouped together under Archean system. Hence, are widely spread throughout the world and formed the foundation for subsequent stratigraphical formation. The Archeans are known as shield formation, which from the core part of Himalaya mountains. The Archean formations are well developed in Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Sikkim, UP, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Karnataka, Orissa, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu. The Archean formations are made up of with gneiss and schist granite. The Archean gneiss are known as fundamental gneiss. The origin of Archean different gneiss and schist are formed by the metamorphism of Archean granites. Due to long period of metamorphism, regarding the origin of Archean, these are believed to be the first formed earth crust consolidated due to lava and magma. These are regarded as earlier formation, which are subjected to the regional and thermal metamorphism. These are plutonic igneous and the variation of the composition that have these are grouped in metamorphism. These are the original granite igneous rocks masses which are undergo the process of granitization and transformed into granitic gneiss. The in Archean province in India, first one is Dharwar province. The Dharwar province is Archean in southern India are best exposed in Dharwar province. It is located in Karnataka. It is first studied by Robert Brookfoot. Rocks of Dharwar system. These rocks have been formed as a result of the erosion and sedimentation of the rocks of the Archean system. These are the oldest sedimentary rocks. No fossil is found here. It is so because either There was no origin of species during their formation, or the forms of the fossils got destroyed with the passage of time. Archeans of Darwar system. The Aravalli mountain region, the Aravalli mountain range, which is the oldest fold mountain of the world, has been made with these rocks. The rocks of this system are found in the district of Dharwar and Shimoga in Karnataka. The rocks of this system are found in the southern Deccan region from Karnataka to the Kaveri Valley districts of the Ballari, Shimoga, Sasar mountain range in Jabalpur and Nagpur, and the Champaner mountain range in Gujarat. The rocks of Dharwar system in North India. The rock of this system are found in Himalaya region. Himalaya ranges of Ladakh, Jaskar, Gajwal and Kumaon, and the long range of Assam Plateau. The rocks of this system are economically very important. All prominent metallic minerals, iron, gold, manganese, etc., are found in these rocks. Geological successions of Dharwar system. Closed granite, Dharwar supergroup peninsula, gneiss complex. Lithology of Dharwar deposited in a photogeosynthesis composed of schist, amphibolite and granitic gneiss, systolic rocks. Second one, Eastern Ghat province. These are along the coast of India. They contain highly metamorphosed rocks. They extend as a best of 50 to 80 kilometers with north-northeast to south-southwest strike, distributed in Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Orissa. Succession of Eastern Ghat, Condolite series, Charnockite series. These are Eastern Ghat rocks. Lithology of Eastern Ghats. The important rocks are Condolite and Charnockite. Condolite, named after a named tribe from Visakhapatnam and Kalahandi. Condolite is composed with grey and red fossilated granite, garnet, sillimanite schist. These are exposed in Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Orissa. Charnockite series, these are hyperthin granite bearing blue quartz, feldspar and feldspatite. These are exposed in Pallavaram, Salem, Coimbatore, Nilagiri, Coorg, Visakhapatnam and Kalahandi. Central India province. In Central India, The Archeans are distributed in different parts. Succession of Central India, Amagon group, Sasar group, Sakoli group, Nandagonan group, Dinarghar group. These are Central India succession of Archean system. Lithology of Central India. The important group rocks types are granite, rhyolite, ornament, marble, phyllite, schist, gneiss, conglomerates, etc. in formation of Central India rocks. The fourth one, Singhbhum, Orissa province. It extends in Bihar, Orissa shear. Consists rich mineral deposits. The Archean system extends over a length of 160 kilometers. In Singhbhum area. The formations consist of granite gneiss, conglomerate, quartzite, marble, dolomite, etc. Fifth one, province Aravali. Aravali, Bundelkhand province, named after Aravali mountains in North India. It extends from Delhi to Gulf of Cambay. It has organic features. It consists of granite gneiss. Jawar mineral belt. It is this region. In chapter we have discussed the Archean in India. These distributed in 5 provinces in India. They are 5 provinces are Dharwad province, Eastern Ghat province, Central India province, Singhbhum Orissa province, Aravali, Bundelkhand province. The Archean system is made up of very old rocks such as gneiss, schist and granites. These rocks from a basement on which all younger sedimentary rock formations rest. The general character of the Archean rocks are as follows. They are unfossiliferous. It suggests that there was no life on the earth at the time of formation of the Archean rocks. They are generally high metamorphosed. The first formation of the rocks, it is highly metamorphosed rocks formed in Archean system. They are subjected to intense folding and faulting. They are areas intense folding and faulting. They are intruded by igneous rocks and rocks of acid to ultra basic composition. Acidic and ultra basic igneous rocks composition is present. so that as the structures and composition of the archeans are very complex, they are often called as fundamental gneiss or basement complex. The Archean gneisses are typically magmatic gneiss which contain alternate bands of amphibolite and tonolites. The Archean system distribution are covered nearly two by third of the peninsula India. The area where they are very well exposed: South India, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar and Orissa, Gujarat and Rajasthan, Assam Plateau and Central Himalaya region. Based these areas in Archean rocks are believed to extend below the Deccan Traps between Karnataka and Rajasthan, and below the alluvium of the Ganga river between Bihar and Assam. For convenience of the study, the Archean rocks of Peninsular India have been divided 5 provinces: Dharwad province, 5 zones. They are Archean rock of the southern India, Archean rocks of Eastern Ghats, Archean rocks of Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra, Archeans of Bihar and Orissa, Archean rocks of Rajasthan. These are also 5 provinces. Nothing but these also in provinces are mostly unfossiliferous. These are oldest rock formation, no evidence existing of life, and also it is the Archean groups, especially geologically, these lies below Permian system of rocks, which being above Epoarchean unconformity. In terms of time span, they represent million years of and are made up of igneous rocks, and their metamorphosed variations like gneiss, schist, all highly foliated and altered. Rocks of definite sedimentary origin are also part of this group, believed developed typically in many areas where they are especially referred to as Dharwad system, due to their occupying the oldest or basal position in stratigraphy. The Archean rocks are commonly referred as basement complex or fundamental gneiss, the latter term being indicative of their predominantly metamorphic structure in all the area of their development. The Archean forms a very complex group is Indian stratigraphy. Stratigraphically, structurally and petrologically, Archean group present the it at incompletely explained in many respects. Stratigraphically, the rocks are of such, such extensive development, both in time and space, that these are easily accorded the title of a group within this biggest group of Indian stratigraphy. However, it has been extremely difficult to make out any subdivision into system, epochs and stages. Even the distinction of this group into Archean system and the Arvar system is purely arbitrary. In some works, the Arvar system is mentioned along with the Archean system without there being any chronological significance. The Archean system and the Darwar system described below are not systems so well defined in the stratigraphical or chronological order as on their petrological characters. Thus must be understood clearly at the very outset. The Darwar system of Karnataka in that sense may be taken as a subgroup of Archean exposed in that type of area. In Archean system, it is discussed distribution and rock types and different 5 provinces of in Archean system. Jawar in quiz questions. Jawar is in which province? Central India province, Singhbhum, Orissa province, Aravali, Bundelkhand province. The term Archeans is coined by J.D. Dana, second by J. Adam Williams King, W.S. King. In frequently asked questions, describe the Archean system or explain the different province of Archean system. Explain the Archean system distribution. Draw the outline map of India and identify Archean's province in India. Take the map, outline, draw the outline. Archean province in India. 5 types of Archean province: Darwar province, Eastern Ghat province, Central India province, Singhbhum, Orissa province, Aravali, Bundelkhand province. These are mentioned in the map. And main questions are coming in Darwar distribution and different types of province. Darwar province, Eastern Ghat province, very important these province. And rock types also is important. Mainly Archean system distributions in India. Take the map, India map, take the outline, draw the outlines and put the province names or numbers. quiz questions also do, and assignments questions. Draw the map and attempt the quiz questions. It is the very important as you Archean system and the different province of Archean systems are also important in India stratigraphy. In Indian stratigraphy, one of the oldest formation of the Archean system, so it is the very important. It is next chapter, next discussion, different lithology, economical importance of the Archean system, and discussed next class. So today this class describe the Archean system. And also mentioned the rock successions, eastern rock successions, Eastern Ghat and Dharwar successions. It is also main important in lithological units. Central India successions, Singham area. These are only 3 successions in main important. Dharwar group successions. These are Dharwar group successions, very important and useful for Dharwar successions. Mainly close by granite Dharwar group, Peninsula Gneiss complex, Eastern Ghats, Gondolite Charnockite. These are very important to us. Succession of Central India. Central India, these are south part, some part north part. It is useful, but Sasur group, Madhya Pradesh, Sakoli group, very important. Sasur group Archeans of Nagpur to Chandivara area are called Sasur group. This group consists of 4.5 kilometers thickness successions of highly metamorphosed rocks. Sakoli group. These rocks of the Sakoli group occur in a triangular belt which is suitable in the Nagpur and situated in Nagpur, Bandra and Chanda district. The Sakoli group is made up of low-grade metamorphic rocks such as chlorite schist, quartzite shales and phyllite. This group does not contain manganese ore. Sakoli and Sasur group and Singham area, Singham group, Singham group and Singham area, iron ore, main important in iron ore deposits. It is 160 kilometers occupation, igneous body, Kolohan group also very important. Orissa group occupation of the Simham, Bihar and Orissa. So these are very important to us. So assignment question: describe the Archean system and explain the distribution of Archean system. These are very important, main important questions, frequently asked questions. Thank you.